Welcome to QiYoga with LuChin. In today's Qigong practice, we're going to focus on improve our core strengths and our balance. Now let's get started. The sequence I designed for today's class, it begins very gentle, but still make sure you have a wall to lean onto or you have something you can grab onto when needed. All right, now let's begin. Feet are hip width. Start to swing the arms side to side. Gently warm up the spine. Movements through the shoulder joints, thoracic spine, low back. And have the hands land on the bottom of the torso, on the pelvic bone, and on the tailbone on the back. Move the hands slightly up to the lower dantian, that is about 4 fingers down from your navel. And on the other side of the navel is the door of life, the Mingmen point, very powerful point in the body. Cupping and knocking breaks any stagnation, help the qi to flow better. Bring the hands to your sides and come to stillness, to the Taoist Wuji posture. Shoulders are relaxed, chin is tucked a little, project the crown of your head up towards the sky. Notice how the body feels. Blink your eyes open. Step the right foot out slightly. Begin to roll the ankle clockwise. We're going to do 9 repetitions for each movement. Now counterclockwise. This ankle rotation brings gentle movements to the knee joints and the hip joints. Left side. Change the direction. Good. Walk the feet. And now root through the left standing foot. Feel free to grab onto something if needed. And lift the right foot to the side. Begin to circle the hip joint. Keep the movement manageable. You can see I begin to wobble if I move. Make the circle too big. All right, lower the foot down. Shift the weight left and right. And now root through the right standing foot. Lift the left leg. Draw the circle. This is the first video of our 3-part mini-series on Qigong for balance. They build on each other. Lower the foot down. Small steps. Float the arms up. And then draw the hands down through front and center. Inhale, rise, gathering heavenly energy. Exhale, bring the energy through the crown of your head. Let's do 2 more. Release the hands down. Stand on the left foot. Keep this leg like strong. Avoid pitched hips. Then bend the right knee, hug the knee to the chest. For balancing, try to find an unmoving focal point. Hold for 2 more breaths. I have less balance on my left side. And lower the foot. Step the feet. And now, root through the right standing foot. Bend the left knee to the chest. Yeah, our body is not symmetrical. I'm more stable on my right side for some reason. And lower down. Very good. Extend the arms forward. Slowly turn to the right. Aim the arms to the back. Slowly back to center. And now to the left. Aim towards the back. Back to center. To the right. Gentle twist into the spine. Look to the fingertips. Back to center. And to the left. Keep the arms parallel to the ground. One more on each side. Try to keep the hips square, facing forward. Twist, other side. Come back to neutral. Tai Chi, opening, release the hands down. And now bend into the knees. Come down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Feel the wave-like energy from your spine down through your arms and the legs. Come back to center. Roll the shoulders up and back. And then bring hands to heart center. Gaze at your fingertips. Feeling grateful to be alive. Gentle breathing through the nostrils. Thank you, friends, for practicing with me today. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave me a comment, like the video, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, take good care of yourself. Goodbye.